وقف شوي. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, Miss.
How are you?
Thank you.
Today we will talk about 4 letters. رح نحكي عن 4 حروف in upper case and lower case. Q R S T. Q R S T. Q. Uppercase Q. This is uppercase Q. Q for queen. Q, queen, queen. This is uppercase Q and this is lowercase Q. نغم. Trace only 5 uppercase Q. علمي 5. 2 3 4 and 5. Excellent. Now lowercase Q. Lowercase Q. The sound of Q ك. نحن بنلفظ الكيو ك. Queen. Queen. Repeat after me. Quell. Queen. Quack. Quiet. Quilt. Question. Quarter. Quell. Now, what this is? This is quail. Quail نوع من أنواع الطيور. And this is question. And this is queen. Queen ملكة. Now S. Letter S. Uppercase S. and lowercase S. بنفس الطريقة بنكتب الuppercase والlowercase. راما. Write 5 uppercase S. What's the sound of S? S. Excellent. Write 4S. Lowercase. Excellent. Snack. Snack. Squirrel. Squirrel يعني سنجاب. S pronounce ش. نحن بنلفظ الاس ش لما بيجي بعدها حرف الاتش مثل sheep. Sheep. شب. إذا لما بيجي حرف الاس وبعده اتش يلفظ ش. هو الكلر this اس. مين رح يلون لي الاس؟ يا لوني لي حرف الاس in green. this. Excellent. Uppercase S. It like snack. R. R. How you can write uppercase R and lowercase r. In this way, you can write uppercase R and lowercase r. The sound of R ر. نحن بنلفظ الR ر. rabbit, rabbit, ring, ring, robot, rabbit, uppercase R and lowercase r. Now T. In this way you can write uppercase T and lowercase t. This is tiger. Tiger it begins with T. تبدأ بحرف الT. Turtle. Turtle كمان تبدأ بحرف الT. Who will write T? Yeah, last one. تعي آخر واحدة. Write T here. علامة T. Uppercase T again. نحن بنبلش من هون من الأعلى للأسفل. Excellent, sit down. And this is lowercase t. The sound of T is T. T. Tomato. Taxi. Turtle. Who will read?
Tomato, taxi, turtle.
Excellent. Now I have exercise about letters. This is uppercase Q. Where is lowercase? Excellent. And this is uppercase. Where? Excellent. S.
T.
Excellent. Now match between words and letter. This is robot. Robot it begins with okay, it begins with R. And this is still it begins with S. And this is
Turtle.
excellent. Queen. Sit down. Excellent. Now put missing letter. الحرف المفقود. QRST. This is rat. 10. Queen. Table. And rope. And sack. As a homework وظيفي رح نكتب حرف QRST.